Hey guys, it's Jacob with Above and Beyond Tech. Do you ever lose things in your Windows PC, your Windows computer? Do you ever have documents that just seemingly go missing? What about programs that you can't seem to find again? Well, great news. Today, we're going to teach you how to search through your computer using Cortana. You can talk to her, or you can type what you want in. Either way, she can be a really big help when you need her. To use Cortana, start by looking in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen for the box that says Ask Me Anything. Then go ahead and just left-click here to type in a question or to find anything in your computer you might want to find. For example, I want to find a document that I named Example Document. So I'm going to type in Example, and here's my document. So I'm going ahead and click on that. As we can see, Word's going to open right up to see my example document. I can open programs as well. Say I want to open up my calculator, then I type in CAL, and I can find my calculator here as well. Of course, I don't just have to click to talk to Cortana and have her find things on my computer for me. I can also talk to her as well and have her search the internet for me too. So if I want to go ahead and have Cortana listen to me, start by going into this box in the bottom left-hand corner again. Then, after you click on it, instead of typing anything in, go to this gear that you see me hovering over right here. That's Cortana's settings. Then go ahead and click on it. Then make sure where you see Hey Cortana, make sure this bar is slid to the right and it's blue, so it says on. Then when you say, Hey Cortana, she'll go ahead and listen to you, and you can ask her any questions you want. Hey Cortana, how long does it take to get to the moon? Here we can go ahead and see that she's searching the internet for us. I didn't have to type anything in. I didn't have to press anything. All I had to do was say the name. Hey Cortana. What do you think? Do you think you'll use Cortana to help you out when you lose things? Let me know in a comment below. Also, let me know anything else you'd want to learn on your Windows computer, your Mac computer, your Android, or your iPhone smartphones. I'll be making new videos every Monday and Wednesday to teach you all about them. So also check out our YouTube and our Facebook pages by searching Above and Beyond Tech to give us both a like and subscribe there, so that way you can stay up to date since we have those new videos coming out every Monday and Wednesday. As always, thanks for tuning in, guys, and have a great week. Bye.